Well, the biggest thing is we are well equipped. We have typically 22 pieces of equipment here for the heavy snow removal, another 8 units for the lighter snow removal on sidewalks. And it's really the people that operate the equipment that are the recipe to success, right? So it's really about making sure that we have every single resource available to fill every single seat that we have available in every piece of equipment. So it's really about staffing, planning, and that has been a true challenge because, as you know, the boys and girls here at the city have been going since Christmas Eve, so this is day 13 for them without a break, right? So it's becoming a long time for these folks. Like last night, for example, we had very heavy snow between the hours of 2 and 4 a.m. And as soon as there was a little bit of a break in the system at 4 a.m., we basically went out full out and started clearing the roads. For December, we spent about $860,000 in December alone, and the entire budget for the year was $2.1 million. So you can safely assume it's been a strain on the budget, but we are bound by the council policy to provide these service levels, so that's what dictates what we do. I think the biggest thing that we got to keep in mind is that this is not a normal December. The last time that we had to do snow removal was 2017, right? So we've been kind of like gotten used to these milder winters, and this is absolutely not a winter that's typical to the Central Okanagan Valley. All we can implore on our residents is we understand your predicament. We really work as hard as we can with the best folks that can do the job, and we will get to you. But we need that break, and we're planning for that. And as soon as we get to the break, by Wednesday, everybody will hopefully have forgotten about all of this. I just wanted to give a big thank you to the crew members. I mean, we have had people now, like I said, day 13. The cleanup is going to last probably another 7 to 10 days. It's been a long stretch for these folks. They've been away from their families for Christmas. Some of them had the opportunity to sit down for dinner for 2 hours only to go back to work. So let's have a little bit of appreciation and understanding for the folks that are out there and are doing this job and are doing the best they can under the circumstances that we have.